Why do some people say Manus AI beats OpenAI's ChatGPT? Here's the simple explanation beginners should know. Start by understanding that Manus AI focuses more on autonomous tasks. Instead of only chatting, it can handle bigger workflows like research, planning, automation, and completing multi-step projects with less supervision. ChatGPT is different because it's mainly designed for conversations, writing, coding help, brainstorming, and general productivity. It usually works step by step based on your instructions. Some users prefer Manus AI because it behaves more like an AI worker that can organize and execute tasks automatically. Others still prefer ChatGPT because it's simpler, faster for everyday use, and easier for beginners. In reality, neither tool is better for everything. Manus AI is often stronger for automation and workflows, while ChatGPT is stronger for conversation, creativity, and general AI assistance. Now you know why some users think Manus AI beats ChatGPT for automation and workflow tasks, while ChatGPT is still popular for everyday AI help.